We're here at Petro, here in Racine, Wisconsin. Normally you just see that gas stations are just usually one floor. But here you can see in this location, after remodeling, this is actually 2 floors. And take a look what they have here. That's right, they got an Otis Series 2 HydroFit. Looks like a nice one. There's a mezzanine. This is the motor. Here at M1. Get a cab view now. It's a pretty nice elevator for a newer Series 2 HydroFit. This is MRL. Indicator, 25 inch one capacity, newer Series 2 buttons. Lanterns right there, ring the bell. Oh, it just glitched. I don't know why it just dang for down instead of just for up. There it goes, and that'll be it.